We are TargaryenX and this is our team. Our project is VConnect and it's a centralized digital platform for volunteers, organizations and community. Volunteers struggle to connect and collaborate effectively. Existing solutions are fragmented, making volunteering and event management difficult. VConnect streamlines seamless event creation, volunteer management and donation campaigns, and it increases engagement and participation in volunteering events. For these applications, there are three major user roles: admins, organizations, and volunteers. Admins are responsible for managing this platform, and admins can approve volunteers and organizations. Organizations can create an events and donation campaigns. Volunteers can participate to the events and earn some badges. This is our tech stack and we use React and Tailwind CSS for the front end, MySQL for the database and Ballerina for the backend. As an impact, this application transforms volunteering from word-of-mouth activity into an organized, transparent and engaging digital experience that amplifies community impact while building trust among all stakeholders. Now let's move on to the demonstration.
WeConnect is kind of a platform which brings volunteers, organizations, and users together in a one place. So if we go to the Learn More page, we can see further information about our platform, our mission, platform features. So if you go to the contact page, the users can contact with our platform through the contact page. So this is our donate section. We can see all the donations created by the organizations here. So the donors can donate for these donation campaigns through these emails. So the volunteers and organization can register here, and we already have a logged in admin. So first let's log in with admin. So you can see the admin dashboard here. So the admin can manage volunteers and also the admin can manage organizations as well. So we can approve organizations like this. So we can see all the events created by the organizations. So these are the contact details that we have already added in the contact page as we have shown earlier. So this is the badge section. So the admins can give badges to decide volunteers. So let's say that my Jonathan is a volunteer. We can give and let's log in with an organization. So this is the organization dashboard, as you can see here. So these are the recent events created by the organization. If you go to the view all events, these are the events created by the organizations. So we can go to view details here. So the organization can see the volunteers applied for this event. They can see the profile of the volunteers, and then they can approve the volunteers request here. So after they approve, they can have a quick chat with the volunteer. This So we have already implemented the chat model in the backend as well. So we can see here the our chat. An organization can create a new event here as well. So these are the donations created by the organizations. So these donation cards are fetched to the home page, as I have shown earlier. And the organization can create a organization new donation campaign here. So this is the organization profile, edit profile. So let's login as a volunteer. So this is the volunteer dashboard. It's total events, applied events, badges earned, feedback received. So these are the recent events. So these are the events created by the organizations, and volunteers can also apply for these events. So let's say that this event, we can apply. If we go to the My Events page, we can see all the applied events. So, so this is the recent event that I've already added now. And you can see these two events are accepted by the organizations. And then the volunteer can also have a private chat with the relevant organization. So, so this is the chat that I have shown earlier for you. So this is the volunteer profile. Can edit profile. So this is the badges sections. So these are the badges given by the admin. So this is the newly created badge that I have given earlier as an admin for this volunteer. So you can see the total badges too. Latest badge, this badge, human level beginner. So this is the feedback sections. These are the feedbacks given by the organizations. So that's how we have implemented our application. So let's have a quick look on the back end. So this is our back end. We have implemented admin.bal file for admins, auth.bal file for authentication, chat.bal file for chat model, home.bal file organization, and volunteer. In the config.yml file, we have implemented the database configurations and also the JWT authentication keys. In the service file, we have implemented all the APIs corresponding to all the BAL files. So that's how we have implemented our backend and the front end. So through VConnect, we can empower collaboration, foster communication, and make a huge impact to the society. Thank you.